Hey my kitty cats, welcome back to my channel. I am back, baby. I missed you guys so much. I hope you guys missed me too. So I took my family for a summer vacation holiday to Goa, and it was full blown summer already there, and it was really hot and sunny. So I'm gonna be sharing the summer skincare must-haves that I took with me. So we have lots to talk about. So if you want to watch the part where I talk about skincare specifically, you can skip this part because right now I'm gonna talk about my Goa trip. You guys miss my chit chatting. Bring your snacks and let's go. So it was a very spontaneous 3-day trip to Goa with my family. We had a flight from Bareilly to Mumbai, and I tried vada pav for the first time in Mumbai, you guys, and I loved it. I'm craving it right now. It was so good. Like, it just melted in my mouth. I was not expecting that. Then our flight was from Mumbai to Goa, and it was a very tiny plane, and I was so scared, you guys. I'm gonna be honest. But here's the funny thing, we had Salman Khan going on the same flight with us to Goa, not Sohail Khan. My brother was whole time like this, Didi dekh Sohail Khan, Sohail Khan. He was so embarrassing. I felt like leaving him there. So first day we visited Kalangut beach. It was so crowded, but we still enjoyed it there. If you like the hustle bustle vibe and party vibe, then Baga beach and Kalangut is for you. It's not my vibe. I like more peaceful and less crowded places. Next day we went to Baga beach to watch the sunrise because it was very close to the place we were staying. It was so peaceful early in the morning, very few people there. Most of the people were doing their morning walk or yoga. So I felt like doing my workout on the beach. It would have been amazing. Then we went back to a villa to get ready. Let me show you a little clip of the villa we stayed in. So this is the room that I stayed in. Right now it's a little messy because we have lived in it for 2 days and it's all over the place. From this window you can see the pool. It's really beautiful. I'll show you from outside. And this is the other room that my parents stayed in, and the pool. इधर कपड़े सूख रहे हैं हमारे. It's really pretty. This is the sitting area. यहाँ पे हम सुबह चाय पीते हैं. And this is the bathroom. Then we went to Morjem beach, which was a little far from the place that we were staying, but it was totally worth it because it was so less crowded and I loved the vibe there. We had burgers and drinks at the burger factory there. Burgers were not out of this world, but I just loved the vibe of this whole place. My brother, he saw a turtle and I a fish. But we were tired by the day too, especially my parents, so we stayed till the evening at the Morjem beach only. On the third day we stayed in the villa till the evening because my mom was feeling really tired. She has arthritis. Then in the evening we went to Thalessa, which was most recommended by you guys. I posted a poll on Instagram and most of you guys recommended that place. It's a beach facing restaurant. The location itself is so pretty. Sunsets have a vibe there. We ordered pizza and spaghetti. Food was good. There were very few veg options. Pizza was amazing, like it was delicious. The crust was so light and loaded with cheese, it just melted in my mouth. We couldn't eat the whole spaghetti though because our tummies were a little sensitive by the day 3 with all the bahar ka khana. So we enjoyed our drinks till the sunset. Drinks were also good, and I also did a little bit of shopping. We didn't have much time, so I couldn't explore much, but I bought a pair of flats. Let me show you. These are so pretty. I got these seashell flats. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put a clip of these heels. These are so beautiful, you guys. Just such a beach vibe and so comfortable. After sunset we went back to our villa and then we ate khichdi at a kitchen nearby, and that's how we ended a Goa trip with khichdi. Okay, now let's talk about the skincare that I took with me, my trusted friends. I had this travel bag, so in this one compartment I kept my skincare skincare and makeup in the other. In this middle compartment, I kept my brushes and my jewelry. So it was like the perfect travel bag from Flower Beauty. I actually ordered some makeup and I got this for free, but it's so useful. You can get these travel bags from Amazon as well. So let's start with the cleansers that I took with me. My most trusted cleanser, Ordinary Squalene Cleanser, to remove the sunscreens, to remove the dirt, oil, makeup from my skin. I have lots of oil-based cleansers and cleansing balms, but I preferred it because it's so easy to use, you guys, and it makes my skin so much better. When you're traveling, you need something that's gentle and also help your skin, so I chose this one. And the other one is definitely Simple Refreshing Face Wash. It's a water-based cleanser, so it would not remove your sunscreens. So always keep a oil-based cleanser with you because you are going to be wearing sunscreen, lot of it. So make sure that you keep a oil-based cleanser, also a water-based cleanser. For toner, I kept the One Thing 10% niacinamide toner because I wanted my skin to produce less oil and sebum during my beach vacation because it was really hot and sunny. It really helped my skin to stay less oily throughout the day. Also, it helped to minimize your pores. Then for serums, I took two serums with me. First is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum because before going on this vacation, my skin was already behaving bad. I had a lot of breakouts on my cheeks, and so I thought, let's keep this one because it always comes through for me and I trust it with my life. So I took it with me and I used it in my night skincare routine, and obviously it helped a lot. Then for the daytime, I took the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I needed something more hydrating, and hyaluronic acid really helps with all sort of dry skin, and my skin get really dry whenever I travel, so this one really helped. That's why I wanted to keep a separate hyaluronic acid serum because I feel that Estee Lauder performs better in the night time. It helps to repair and rejuvenate your skin in the night when you're sleeping, and in the daytime I prefer more lightweight, like really hydrating, and the serums that feels like water, which feels cold and nice on the skin, like your skin is drinking. That's why I kept the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid and Multi-Peptide Serum. This one is for 1500. You can also try their hyaluronic acid serum, which is for 700. Again, amazing, highly recommend. And if you want to invest in Estee Lauder ANR, you can go for the mini version. Now let's talk about the sunscreens, you guys, which is like a must have and the most important thing for a beach vacation, for the summer skincare. So this one is the Minimalist SPF 60, and I took it with me because it leaves minimal white cast, which is most of the sunscreens do now, which are being launched in India. But sadly, most of them contain oxybenzone and OMC, which are like old age sunscreen filters, which I do not like to apply on my skin and don't recommend. So this one contains new age sunscreen filters, and that's why I recommend this one. It's also pregnancy safe, but it is a hybrid sunscreen formula, meaning it has both physical and chemical sunscreen filters, but which are safe for your skin and for all skin types. So highly recommend this one. I used it all over my body. I actually kept 2-3 sunscreens with me because it was 4 of us and you need a lot of sunscreen, so make sure that you keep more than one. I also took the Laneige Radiant C SPF 50 sun cream with me. It is so lightweight, you guys. It does not leave any white cast and does not make your skin oily or greasy. That's why I loved it. It is oxybenzone and OMC free as well, but it does contain fragrance, so if your skin is sensitive to fragrance, you might avoid it. Again, a very important step for your skin when you're traveling or just in general is using moisturizer, hydrating your skin. There are a lot of dogs out right now. Anyway, I hope you can hear me clearly. So I took the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer with me, and it's so lightweight. It kept my skin hydrated for the longest time. It is also fragrance free, and there is no moisturizer like this one, you guys. I have used so many gel based moisturizer, but this one is always on the top, baby. So I kept my most trusted gel based moisturizer with me because it was really hot and sunny and you need something very lightweight on your skin and it just does its job. I also took the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer with me because we were 4 people and you need 2 moisturizers. So I gave this one to my dad and my brother. If Clinique Moisture Surge is out of your budget, then you can go for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. With all the traveling, you get these eye bags, and I took my most trusted eye cream. This is the Vitamin K eye cream by Dr. Petite. You can see I have finished this tube as well. I have to order more, but this one really helped with my dark circles. I have really bad dark circles, you guys, and while I'm traveling it gets worse, so you need to keep an eye cream with you. And for my breakouts, because when you're traveling it's guaranteed that you are gonna have some breakouts, so I kept the Centella blemish cream of Cosrx with me, and you can see like it's almost finished, you guys. I'm still using it. Then I also took the Wishful Yo Glow enzyme scrub with me just because my nose get blackheads like every other day, so I had to keep a gentle scrub that removes my blackheads and whiteheads because I have oily T-zone. And lastly, I also took the Klairs Midnight Blue calming cream with me because you get sunburn when you are on the beach for the whole day, and this one calm and soothe your skin. Also, it's after sun care. I also had a little bit accident, you guys. I burned my feet and it was so bad because it was really hot there, and thank God I had this cream. I applied lots of it, applied it on the burned area, and it immediately calmed and soothed my skin. So it's so helpful and handy, you guys. For my hair, I took the Plum Avocado and Argan Frizz Control shampoo. It's amazing. I have a video on my hair care favorites of this year. Do watch this video. I will leave a link somewhere here. And Keratin Smooth Perfect Hair Mask. My hair was all sorts of crazy there with the humidity, so this one really helped. It made my hair super soft and manageable. I've almost finished it, you guys, and I'm gonna repurchase it. I also took the Moroccan Oil Treatment Serum with me. It's favorite of everyone in my family. Moroccan oil also protects your hair from sun damage. It kept my hair healthy, shiny, frizz free, so highly recommend. For my body, I took Sol de Janeiro Balm Day Bright Body Cream. It contains vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, fruit enzymes, so it's really good for your body and hydrating. It just melts into your skin instantly. It smells amazing, like you are on a beach, literally. We are done with the skincare, hair care and body care that I took with me on this vacation for the summer skincare, because it was already summer there, you guys. So if you're looking for any summer skincare to buy this year, you can get one of these. I will do a separate video of my summer skincare recommendations, but now let's talk about the makeup. It's not a lot. I did very lightweight makeup. So for foundation, I took Dior Backstage foundation. It feels like skin and very lightweight. I did not take my favorite Estee Lauder foundation because it's full coverage, and I needed something that's very lightweight, and I barely used few like tiny drops of this foundation, and it just did not feel like I had to remove my makeup because on the beach it feels very humid and hot. So this foundation was like, okay, I cannot feel anything on my skin. So I know it's expensive, but it lasts whole day. That's why I kept this foundation with me. You can get any other foundation that's lightweight and feels like skin, that's in your budget, but I use this one and the K Beauty concealer, you guys. I'm in shade medium 16ON. It blends into my skin and cover a little bit of my dark circles, and if I have any like redness or breakouts on my skin. So this one is amazing for that, and it's very lightweight. Whenever I have to do like minimal no makeup look, I use this concealer. Otherwise I don't use this concealer very much. Kitty's Bartan Dhul Rahe Hain. Yeah, so you might hear some noise, but I want to finish this video because we are almost done. So for my lips, I took Gogo Tint with me because it was so easy to use. Also, I didn't feel like applying and reapplying my lipstick. It looks very natural like your lips, but a little bit pinkier, so love this. Also took the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeshadow quad. It's very travel friendly and it's my favorite eyeshadow quad ever, and the Charlotte Tilbury blush in shade Love Rush. It's very peachy pinky. That's what I love for the beaches. And lastly, Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I got this one for free, but they have like a bigger mini version of this powder, you guys. So if you're looking to invest in this powder, definitely do. I've never used a powder like this. Like, it makes your skin so flawless and your pores just disappears, and it makes your foundation long lasting. If you have super oily T-zone like me or oily skin type, then this one is a must have for you. It will save you from a lot of trouble. Fragrance is a must have on the beach vacation because you will be sweating and just playing in the water and, you know, doing lots of things, water sports, etc. So yeah, this one kept me fresh for the whole day, and it's not very overpowering. Like, I think only you can smell it, but I just love the subtlety of it, and it just feels like morning dew on your skin. So it's also very travel friendly, and these are some of the products that I took with me on this vacation. Everything fit into this except my shampoo and the hair mask. I hope you're having a great time. If you're going for school, college, or doing 9 to 5 or going outside very often, these products will really help you. And happy Holi kitties, I almost forgot. May your life be as vibrant as the holy colors, and I will see you soon with my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for my summer skincare recommendations video, and I will see you soon. Bye kitties.